Pagtabangan yung mama.
Hi, we're gonna do sand painting. Hopefully it will turn out great. Ayo babadlong dito lang ga. Careful, Eleanor. What are you doing, Eleanor? No. I will show this to you later. No, what did you do?
I spoke my toe.
What did you do to your toe?
See, I spoke my toe. It's tiny blue. See, Daddy, that are for you. From some back. I spoke my toe.
Don't push mama. Don't push mama, love.
A push.
No. Don't push mama. Mama's doing something. Look up.
A paint.
This is sand painting. Wait. Don't disturb mama. Wait, love. Ouchie, ouchie, I got a boo-boo. No. Ellie. Look at what you did.
It's flower.
What is that?
It's this paint.
Yes.
Oh, come.
Say hi. Hi guys.
Hi guys. Wow.
What is that?
This is
Sand painting.
sand painting.
Ellie. 1.
You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want a 3 side. I'm a 3 with.
What shape is that?
Shape is that?
What shape is this?
A yellow.
Yellow.
Proceed. Wow!
You like it? Do you like it?
A star.
Star. What's the color of the star?
Hmm.
What's the color of the star?
Huh?
What's the color of the star?
Color is star.
What's the color of the star? Mama's asking you.
Wow! This is
Stickers.
Sister.
Sticker.
You. Wow!
We're not done yet.
This is Christmas and
Mm-hmm.
a Christmas. Christmas, Ellie.
Christmas.
So, what is this? A green one.
Oh no. Baby love. Mama's nothing. Dan, look at what you did. No! Ellie. Please. Say sorry to mama.
Sorry to mommy.
Don't do it again.
Look at the Christmas.
Oh, we ran out of yellow. Till mama put here. We ran out of color. Yellow.
I have a big. This is my mini Barbie doll. Oh, so. I love it. Throwing it.
What are you doing?
I love Papa.
What? You love Peppa? You love Peppa Pig?
How about George?
How are George? Wow! We're done. Show it, show it. Wow!
Wow! This is Christmas egg.
Christmas?
Wow!
You like it? Do you like it, Ellie? Go on, show it to Nina. Come on.
Wow!
Okay. Hope you enjoyed watching.